welcome back and thanks so much for tuning in again. Today we will be painting some clay magnets and they will kinda look like this. If you want another video where I show you how I made them, please comment down below. So we will start off with the supplies that you will need. You will need acrylic paint, a palette where you can mix on, some brushes and some glossy acrylic varnish to really give it a professional look at the end. Here you can see me just trying to figure out what paints I will use. I wanted to do rainbow colors, but with pink instead of red, and I will be trying to make them all really pastel with mixing a lot of white in. That was unnecessarily violent, but yeah, you know, acrylic paint just sometimes pops out of the bottle like crazy. Always use a tool when opening your acrylic bottles like this, because you don't want to rip off your nails. Trust me, I haven't ripped off my nail yet, but it hurts when you do it with your nails. So please use a tool. These brushes seem really nice, but as we will see later on, they won't be very nice. They will lose hair and I will have to change to a different paintbrush. And we're already starting with our first design. Oh no, first we have to put up our sleeves and now we're starting with the first design. And this is what I meant earlier, these brushes just lose hair like crazy and it's not nice to work with them. I will change the brush soon. And yes, my hands will get even worse than this. This is a very messy situation. So I will just be coloring them in the color I want. I will have to readjust this later because acrylic paint dries a lot darker than it looks like when it's wet. And here I am just sanding down the coasters that I made too. I didn't show them in the beginning, but I will color them too. They will just have one color and then I will varnish them with glossy varnish. I just wanted to keep in this real-time footage of me painting so that you can get an idea how long it actually took me. It took me like 2 to 3 hours to paint like 5 magnets and 4 coasters. Maybe I'm just slow, but I don't know. Keep that in mind if you want to paint some clay work of yours. By the way, I used air dry modeling clay to sculpt these. If you want to see a sculpting video, please tell me in the comments below and I will make some more magnets and show you some of my beginner techniques that I used for these. The rainbows are actually one of my favorite designs with these clay magnets, but they're just such a pain to paint. You will see me struggle later. Check out the artist in the description box, please. And watch me paint these babies. Also, I love the mushroom so much. It's so cute. I don't know why I think it's so cute, but it's so cute. Please also tell me your favorite of the designs down below so I know which one you love and of which I should make more. Thank you! So here you can see what I mean with struggling to paint the rainbows. It's just so hard to paint these because you also need to get into all of those nooks and crannies without mixing like all of the colors together in a mess. I think I kind of did a good job, but I also had to readjust the colors and repaint and fix mistakes for such a long time. So just that you're aware, like these all have 3 coats. I just cut a lot out of the video so that it wouldn't be like an hour long. Also, you can count how many times I needed to wash my hands in this video. Comment down below how many times I did that. I will show my clean hands every time. Here you can see me readjust the color to a lighter blue because it dried so dark and that wasn't really the look I was going for, so I mixed up a lighter blue and just painted it on. Just a little reminder how slow I'm actually at painting. This is sped up 10 times. For this rainbow I tried to go for an analogous color scheme, so I used like pink, oranges and like a coral color. I just wanted it to be inspired by a sunset and I really like how it looks with the blue. What do you think about it? Would you rather see like a colorful rainbow like the other one, or do you think one with matching colors is also nice? Here you can see me clean up the yellow that I painted over the pink. I'm just trying to get it a cleaner look and I'm just going back and forth and trying to make the colors look nice and to make the edges look nice too. The white dots on the mushroom just needed so many layers to be actually opaque, but I feel like it turned out really good at the end. And now we're getting to adding small details. I'm just using an Adding 400 permanent marker and a Molotov acrylic paint marker. I wanted to give some of the designs a cute little face just to add a little bit more interest. Also, sorry for my bangs popping in again, but I know, I said in my last video I would figure out how to not stick my head into the frame all the time. But I just haven't mastered this yet. I'm so sorry. I will try better next time. And here I am trying to fix it with the black pen again, and I was just over the white pen for a second, so I'm just adding the face to the moon. And here I am trying again with the white marker and a lot of my head in the frame again, and I'll show you what he looks like right now. And I feel like he's so cute. What do you think? Do you think he's cute? What I am trying to do here is open the glossy varnish, because I will varnish the already completely dried pieces now. I have sped up this process really fast for you because it's just the same thing over and over, and I'm also doing like 2 to 3 coats for every piece so that it's really nicely protected and glossy. I'm also doing the front and the back because if you need to clean it with a wet towel or something, that nothing can happen to the modeling clay. And now I will show you how to add the magnets. These are the magnets I'm using, and they're saying that you need to push the magnets off, so not like I'm doing here, like rip it off, but you're supposed to push them off. These are just some extra strong magnets, and here you can see me pushing it off with like all of my strength. Later on I will try to attach them with some regular glue, and yes, try to murder the camera. Here you can see me and the type of glue I'm using. I wouldn't recommend this type of glue because it will just not adhere to the clay after it has dried. I used super glue the next day when I realized that the normal glue wouldn't stick. And it worked out really well. Just be careful when you use super glue to not glue your fingers together. Also, I'm sorry that I can't show you how I did this on all of them, but my phone battery died at that moment, and so that's all of it. And yeah, that's it. Here they are again. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please also check out my other socials like Instagram and TikTok. I will leave a link below in the description. And also comment what you think about this craft. Have you tried it before? I hope to see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye!